What's up guys, I'm back with another vlog and I'm inside the Bronco. Today we're going to install a dash cam for the Bronco. With today's driver, no matter how safe you drive, there's always some people who don't know how to drive, so it's definitely better and safer to have a dash cam, so if anything happens you won't be held liable for like other people causing an accident or whatever. So yeah, we're going to have this dash cam installed. I'm going to place it right here. I'll try to place it as high up as possible so that when you're driving it won't be seen. And then have it route up through here, and then I'll try to put it through here, and yeah, I'll try to find a way so that it'll be all the cables will be hidden, and then it won't be seen. So yeah, I'll try to do that, and also make it look nice, hiding all the cables and doing it properly. So yeah, let's try to first mock up like the cable route. And I'm gonna have to take this off just so that I can have better access to like the trim. So yeah. So yeah, just like that, I finished installing the dash cam. So as you can see here, when you're driving, it's barely even visible, you know, like for like my height, like this is where my eye level is, so you can barely even see it. But yeah, so I have like the only cable you can really see is up here, and everything's hidden down. And then I use some like tape clip wire clips or whatever, and I had it routed over here to the back. And then same thing, this only cable seen, and it's plugged into the cigarette charger or cigarette adapter here. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like the POV of it, but that's pretty much it. So this is the BlackVue app. So we have a dash cam for our truck and for the Bronco. So I pretty much have so this dash cam used to be in our Bronco Sports, so just basically transferred it in, and so we already have it set up. But you basically just plug it in, and you set it up, and then you can go to like, once it's connected, so like Wi-Fi, like join to it. There you go, and then you can go live view, and you can see here like the view of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy to install. Definitely, you know, would protect you if anything happens. Someone cuts you off and then causes an accident. You know, you have proof that you didn't do it or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna put the link to the website of BlackVue so that you guys can get a dash cam if you want or not. But if you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it was helpful in like trying to install a dash cam. And if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to click like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and click that bell icon to get notified of my next videos. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.